All right, Nate. Do you think you can tell me the answer to number 1, -6 minus 14?
-20.
Perfect. -20. Kind of think if you owe me $6 and you owe me $14, you owe me $20. Emma, do you happen to get number 2?
Yeah. Is it 16?
It is. So 2 negatives in the middle make a positive. So this is 12 plus 4. Matt, what do you think you got for number 3?
-9.
-9. Very good. So -12 plus 13 is -9. Let's go with Eve.
For number 4,
Yeah,
I got 14.
so did I. Mr. Stouffer, what'd you get for number 5? Guess your mic's not working. Andrew, Drew, what'd you get, buddy?
For number 5,
Yep,
49.
49. And number 6, Hope.
Would it be -35?
Go the other way. Think if you owe me $42 and you owe me $7, you owe me
39. Oh, 40.
49. Okay? Those can get a little tricky. Okay? So with these problems, kind of think of like money. The double negatives doesn't really work, so that's why I changed them to a positive, and then talk about it as like for number 3, I'd be like, you borrowed $22 from me, and then you paid me back $13. That means you still owe me 9. These are actually the harder types of problems. Multiplying and dividing's real easy. Okay, so with multiplying and dividing, if the signs are the same, it's going to be positive. If the signs are different, it's going to be negative. So, for example, number 1, -2 times -9, the signs are the same, so that's going to be 18. What about number 2, Maya? What was that?
12.
Well, we're multiplying here. You'd be right if we were adding. So it's 5 times 7.
35.
35. There you go. And then Delaney, do you happen to know what 8 times 7 is?
56.
56. Yes, indeed. Jordan, what about -6 times -10? All right, Sophia?
It's 60.
60. Now we're to division. So, Alice, -16 divided by -4.
4.
4, very good. And -9 divided by -3, Mackenzie?
3.
3. You guys did well at that. Any questions? Nah. All right. So let's go to the next page. All right. Now when we multiply with different signs, my answer is going to be negative. Okay, so for example, 5 times -3 is -15 because the signs are different, positive, negative. Number 2, Jack. Oh boy. AJ McQuaid, number 2.
Negative 36.
Perfect. And Angela, number 3.
Negative 15.
I know, I gave you a nice and easy one there. You know how I know it's easy? Because I did it for number 1. So who wants to do number 4?
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Number 4 is negative 36.
Yeah, it's the same as number 2. Got a little lazy. All right, number 5. Destiny. Do you happen to know what 20 divided by -4 is? I'll give you a hint. Negative. Stop me when you know it. Oh. -5. All right. What about the last one here? Let's go with, who do I want to pick on? Ooh. Let's go back to Drew. Drew, -12 divided by 3 is
Negative 4.
-4. See? Nice and easy. Now, let's talk about these properties again. Who remembers what it means to commute? When I say you commute to college, what does that mean? You guys don't remember what it means to commute?
You go back and forth.
Back and forth. So commutative property means order. Doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter with multiplication. Example, think about it. 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. They're both 20. Doesn't matter. Associative property. When I say, like, these are your associates, they're your what? What do associates mean?
Like your colleagues.
Colleagues or coworkers. So that means grouping. Doesn't matter. So an example of that would be 2 times 3 times 4. Okay, let me show you what I mean here. Here, 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24. Or I could do 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24. All right, real quick. Oh, I didn't do identity. Identity property. This one's easy. How do I want to phrase it? So the multiplicative identity is 1, meaning whenever I multiply something by 1, I get back that thing. All right, so real quick, you guys got 4 problems at the page. On the page, why don't you guys do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll give you 30 seconds. All right, Nate, let's play a game. You ready to play a game?
Yeah.
All right. Odd or even, the way this works, if you can guess if I'm holding up an odd number or an even number behind my back, I won't lie. I won't cheat. Okay? If you get it right, you get to pick somebody in the class to answer the question. If you get it wrong, you have to answer it. Sound fair?
Yeah.
All right. Odd or even?
Even.
It is, in fact, even. Who must answer the question?
Drew.
Drew. Drew, you have to answer number 1. What is it?
12.
12. Drew. Now you get to play odd or even. Odd or even?
Odd.
It is even. You have to answer number 2, Drew.
Oh, fine. -3.
-3. All right. Next person to play odd or even is Hope. Hope. Odd or even?
Even.
It is even. Who must answer the question?
Sophie.
Sophie. Number 3.
16.
16. All right. Are you ready to play, Sophie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Odd or even?
Odd.
Even. All right, Sophie. What's number 4?
7.
7. You realize I just picked even for all of them?
No, I thought.
Yeah, I did. I picked even for all of them. You know how I knew I'd fool people? Because no teacher ever makes like a ton of questions, like the same answer, like A, B, B, B. I'm going to make a test at some point, and it'll probably all be like, the answer is A, just to mess with you guys. I find it funny. But, all right, here we go. Let me stop the recording.